Are you having trouble with your cursor stuck in the middle of the screen in Roblox? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to fix them. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that I recommend is by pressing escape key to bring up the menu right over here, or alt tab to switch windows. Then go ahead and click on settings right over here. Basically, we're gonna go ahead and find toggle shift. To do that, just go ahead and scroll down to see that section right over here, shift lock, and sometime it will be set by developer. But in our case, we have to go ahead and do the default one, which gives you the option to press shift to release the lock. Either you can also press I and O to release zooming fully in. Sometimes can lock and freeze the mouse vector. And also one last thing on your settings right over here, let's go ahead and go to camera settings, and over here as you can see, the game is currently on developer mode, but in any case, go ahead and put the modes into classic or default, and your shift lock or your mouse should be gone in the middle of the screen. But basically, that will be all for today, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.